Hey, this is Panel, and today I will be briefing about one of our project in Mysore, which is a bungalow project. As you can see here, this bungalow is crafted with a beautiful elevation, which is a conglomeration of both modern touch and antique touch. This bungalow is basically a stilt plus two-floor bungalow. As I mentioned, this bungalow is having two different views from two different sides. If you observe the building from the left side, you will be able to observe a antique design has been made, and to the right side you will be able to have a modern look. This is the left side elevational view of this building, where you can able to see the antique design has been crafted with beautiful windows, design, arches and everything. And to the right side you will be able to see a modern touch has been given to this building. Isn't it amazing? As you can see here, 70% of the space is reserved for parking and rest 30% is utilized for staircase and lift rooms. As you can see here, the woodwork has been carried out for adjacent floors, doors and windows. As you enter from the staircase, you will be reaching at the portico for the first floor, from where you can see a beautiful elegant door frames. A huge door frame which is adding a very magnificent look for this entrance. This door frames is fitted with flats, and we have avoided round or hexagonal bars to give a very rich look. And you can observe door frames are as big as the thickness of the walls. It is almost equal to 9 inches. As soon as you enter into the house, you will be landing in the living area, which is provided with a very big window and a vertical window too, to give a very pleasant look and a good ventilation. On the other side you can mount the TVs, and that the cabinet is had to be done and the construction is under process. To the left side you can see the dining area, which is with high ceiling and a very big window for their architecture purpose. On the right side you can see the one bedroom, master bedroom, and to the left you can see the kitchen. Over the top we have fixed a frame. The purpose of the frame we will let you know in the next video. For that I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell notification and select all notifications, so that you will be notified on all the further updates of this bungalow. In the dining, just below that high ceiling, a puja room will be placed, which will be made of mantapa, wooden mantapa, and it will be placed at this point. For this complete details we will update in our subsequent videos. On the opposite side here you can find the bathroom and toilet. As you can see here, the width of the staircase is almost 4 feet, which is increasing the richness of the building. As you land in the second floor, you will be able to see the high ceiling point from below, where you can able to see the puja room, mantapa and dining area. To the left side there comes the lift opening point. On the other side is the bedroom. On the opposite side another bedroom has been placed here, where you can see the dimension of the bedroom is almost 16 feet by 18 feet, which is provided with additional powder room of almost 4 feet by 6 feet, and the modern toilet, attached toilet has been provided. Even these bathrooms have been very carefully planned and given a modern touch and very carefully drafted here, where you can see the showers, which is placed at height of almost 8 feet to give a rainwater effect whenever you are taking a bath. This is for molds, which is also a wall mounted. This bathroom is also provided with wide window ventilators for good light and air circulation. As you can see here, even these bedrooms has been very neatly designed so that air movement and light should be in optimum case. Just in front of the bedrooms, a partition will be made, and this space will be utilized for library and study purpose. Here this space will be utilized for wardrobe, which you will be able to see in our next videos. This is the balcony which has been provided for this room. From here you will be able to have a very beautiful look, and even this balcony has been very beautifully crafted with designs, parapet walls. Okay, this part is for you. And can you comment what are these boxes meant for? Let us see who will guess it right, and I will be revealing it in our subsequent videos. Okay, let us have a look at the other bedroom, which is located on the other side of this floor. Even this bedroom has been planned so beautifully so that it has been utilized for multiple purpose, like reading, bedroom purpose, powdering room, like this. This space which you are seeing in the entrance of this bedroom is for study table. This room is having a dimension of almost 18 feet by 20 feet with good ventilation, and it is having a attached toilet with powder room. As you can see here, this bathroom is provided with separate dry unit and wet unit, and this room is also provided with a separate balcony. As you can see here, the roofing is completely different as you can see in the other room. It is also beautifully crafted with beautiful designs. You can see the same units which I mentioned in the other video on the other side. As you come out of this room and follow this staircase, this will guide you to the third floor. As you can see here, even these staircase portions has been crafted so beautifully so that sufficient light and air ventilation is made available. As soon as you are landed in third floor, you will be able to see a gym room just in front of this, which is almost dimension of 15 feet by 18 feet, and just in front of this a space has been made where you can mount your treadmills or something like that. The wall which you are seeing here is created for architecture purpose, where in front of this a beautiful antique design has been crafted. The steps just adjacent to that can be utilized for placing pots, and this is for left room. On the other side you can see this design which is for giving a modern touch from the other side. Here you can see the staircase has been made to give access to the terrace where Syntex has been placed. This is the view of the other side where modern touch has been given to the building, and this side has been the antique touch has been given. You can see here for the elevation purpose we have created a beautiful structure kind of arrangement which has been supported with two steel columns at the center, which will be provided with lighting arrangement. You can see very beautiful view from this once the building has been completed. And we will be uploading all the further work on this project, and for more updates on this project, please do subscribe to our channel and hit bell notification so that you won't miss any videos on this project. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and share our video, and please do consider hitting this subscribe button and click on the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you.